Yep, this is pretty cool. Yeah, there's one real creepy cloud. Look at that.
Oh god.
Hope it doesn't. Hope you don't get.
It's starting to rain. Look, the car's getting wet.
Yeah. Is that your car?
Yeah. I bet you if we go outside, I bet you this side's so much darker. Because you can see, look, if we look up this way, and you see how the dark cloud that way?
Here. Yeah, I'm actually gonna go check.
Go check.
I'm gonna go check how dark it is out. You should zoom it out. Oh. Jeez, I gotta get it. I gotta get inside now. That's like. Well, this is my last day living, probably, because there's a real big dark cloud.
Oh, I see it.
And it's like doing this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Poor Donnie's got to deliver now. Better tell him to back right up into the door.
What are you guys in?
I think you'll find this particular spot. He can probably tell you. I've seen it already raining on one side of the street in Marshtown and the other side of Sundown.
Yeah, my mom's seen it in my neighborhood. She's like, it's raining until it's
I got you know where how Limerick has that tower ladder in the back?
Mm-hmm.
The tower ladder, and it has a ladder in the back. I actually have that type of truck.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. I don't know if that I don't know how long this is going to continue.
Oh, it said till 6:45 at least.
And here comes another one.
Another warning?
Oh no, it's not a warning. 80 East Norton Township, high 83, low 67.
Just 11.
Yeah. And I'm trying to pull these warnings up, but I can't.
It's starting to rain a little harder, it looks like.
He has his 4-ways on. They said, tornado watch number 372.
Oh my gosh.
Tornado watch number 372.
Andrew, what grade are you going into next year?
I'm going to the 6th if I make it.
If you make it, what do you mean?
Just dip.
Oh, if you make it today.
Yeah, the tornado doesn't come.
Yeah. 6, holy moly, that's crazy. You're getting old, Angel.
Did you hear that, Dad? I'm getting old. Is that circling?
I don't think so, not yet.
Is that circling up there? Well, it looks like it was just circling.
I hope not, because we're standing next to windows.
Okay, that cloud right there, you see it has that little extension on it? That looks creepy, because it looks like it's about to come down and hit the ground. And I do not want that, because guess what?
Oh, God.
I do not want that.
Jeez.
He's trying to tell you how to make something, right?
We're literally in the... These clouds are moving.
You should probably just go.
Oh, God, lightning. We should get away from the lightning.
Wait this now.
We should get away. There's a big lightning. Back up.
It's the way I go out. It's the way I go out.
Thunder, 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 thunder.
See?
Can somebody... Tornado warning for Mount Holly, New Jersey.
Oh, God. Didn't they just have a tornado last week or whatever?
Yeah, last week and now another one.
No, that's awful.
Well, I guess, up in Little Providence, they had the third. Hey. I'm going to go check outside how bad it's going down. I'll be right back. I'm just going to go take.
Oh yeah.
Nah.
Okay?
Yeah,
Want to go get yourself a cupcake?
I'm fine.
Treat yourself. Get lots on me. I'll treat you.
Is it okay, Dad?
Yeah, I'll probably eat something.
They got cherry, vanilla pudding, peach, apple, lemon.
Share with your dad.
The vanilla pudding tastes like.
Vanilla pudding, you said? Dad?
What's this, the 18 coming in to go to work tonight or what?
We're coming in another shift.
And you guys are all leaving?
Yeah, we're all leaving now.
That sucks though. We got all the pretty girls are leaving.
Well, you know what? I think you're lucky because we got this one staying. Are you staying tonight? And that one. So you got two. Yes.
Is it dark out front still, Andrew?
Yeah.
Any more mornings?
I'm waiting.